Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install WordPress CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System. It is a software used to manage the digital content. WordPress is a free and open source CMS written in PHP. The prerequisites for the WordPress CMS are Apache Web Server, MariaDB, PHP and its modules. First I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next I'm going to log into the MariaDB by using following command. So I'm going to create a database for WordPress. Next I'm going to create a user and grant all privileges on WordPress database to that user. Next I'm going to flush the privileges. Next I'm going to exit from the database. Next I'm going to download the WordPress CMS by using following command. Next I'm going to extract the downloaded file by using following command. Next I'm going to move the extracted directory to the Apache home directory. Next I'm going to change the ownership of that directory. Next I'm going to giving the writable permission to that directory. Next I'm going to create a virtual host for the WordPress CMS. After completely editing this file, press escape :WQ for save and exit from this file. Next I'm going to enable the WordPress CMS. Next I'm going to disable the default virtual host of the Apache. Next I'm going to enable the rewrite module of the Apache. After that I'm going to restart the Apache web server. Next I'm going to make the host entry for this WordPress CMS. After completely editing, press escape :WQ for save and exit from this file. Now go to the browser, bring the server name, select the language. First configure the database. Database name was WordPress and username was WordPress. Click submit. Click run the installation. Give the title of the site. I'm giving test. Create a user, admin user. Create a password. Give the email. Click install WordPress. Now log in with the created credential. This is the dashboard of the WordPress CMS. This is how to install WordPress CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.